Hello, I'm Norma, and this is present simple. We use present simple for everyday things. If you wanna be my lover, you can't get with my friend. Here we go. To make affirmative sentences, we need a subject. I, you, she, he, it, we, or they, and a verb. You can use any verb you like, but be careful. She, he, it always have an S or ES at the end. To make negative sentences, besides the subject and the verb, we need an auxiliary verb. Don't for I, you, we, they, and doesn't for she, he, it. Do you remember that in the affirmative we used to add an S to he, she, it? Well, now we'll do something similar, but in the auxiliary. I mean, in doesn't. Does it mean you have to put it in the auxiliary and in the verb? Nope, only here. To make interrogative sentences, we invert the subject and the auxiliary verb. Do or does first, then a subject, then a verb, and don't forget the question mark. Hang about. How to answer? Yes, I, you, we, or they do, or yes, she, he, it does. Or no, I, you, we, they don't, or no, she, he, it doesn't. Easy peasy? Nah, it's because you're too smart. Aren't you? Great. Amazing. Awesome. You are the best. See you next time. Bye.